What is going on YouTube? Kevin here from TGITechday with a video review of this, the Zalman ZM-K900M mechanical gaming keyboard. And as much as that is a mouthful to say, it's actually quite appropriate for this product because there are a ton of awesome features that I'm excited to share with you guys today. But before I get into the review, I'd like to thank Michael and the whole crew out there at Zalman for sending this product out to me for review. Go ahead and check out their website, guys. Link will be down below in the description as always. Taking a look around this 104 key keyboard, the first thing you'll notice are the laser etched keycaps against the 16.8 million color backlight, but a little bit more on that later. The build quality of this keyboard is absolutely phenomenal. It's hefty, rigid, and is definitely of high quality. The bottom sports rubber pads, adjustable feet, and some cable management grooves. Speaking of cables, the 1.7 meter braided cable ends in a gold-plated USB connector, but the keyboard comes with a PS2 adapter for certain features like NKRO. This keyboard has a ton of great features that a lot of gamers would like, such as 2-key lock options, onboard memory for on-the-fly macro recording, multimedia keys, and a 1000 Hz polling rate. This keyboard is available in 4 different flavors that are the Kailh blue, black, brown, and red switches. The keyboard I have here features the Kailh blue switches, which just like Cherry MX blues are tactile and clicky. Unfortunately, I don't own a Cherry MX Blue keyboard myself, so I can't directly compare the Kailh Blue switches on this keyboard to a standard Cherry MX Blue. However, I will say that I really do enjoy these switches. They feel great, they sound great, and overall are a great experience. I feel bad that I can't directly compare these two switches for you guys, so the best I decided to do was a sound comparison at the least. So go ahead and listen to this segment here, which features the Kailh Blue switches on this Zalman keyboard compared to a more gaming standard that are the Cherry MX Reds. Now into the fun stuff, the LED effects. Zalman's website has a ton of videos showcasing the huge variety of customization that you can do to this keyboard, so I'll leave that up to you to discover. But in the meantime, enjoy some B-roll of a handful of effects, including some unique ones like speed meter and EQ. As with most gaming peripherals, whether or not you like the ZM-K900M is completely up to your preferences. But for the retail price of $89.99, I personally think that this is a great keyboard, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone who is fond of LED effects, incredibly durable build quality, and overall a great value for a solid mechanical keyboard. So that does it for my video review of the Zalman ZM-K900M mechanical gaming keyboard. Again, I'd like to thank Michael and the whole crew out there at Zalman for sending this product out to me for review. So go ahead and check out their website, guys. Link will be down below in the description as always. If you'd like to buy this product, there's an Amazon link in the description below. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe for more content in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next video.